So on squaring up this cake for when you buttercreamed it, all right, got your frosting. You're gonna put it on here. I'm gonna do this backwards. I will take and bring my spatula across like this. I always frost my cake and do the top first because I like bringing out the frosting from the top. And I have some friends who say, no, you do your sides first. No, I like the top going out and then it brings it down. So we're just gonna add a little bit more right here. And this can crust again and re-paper towel it with that one. Same pattern, okay? So, see what I'm doing? We wanna fix that. Somebody stuck their fingers in it accidentally and you've got a correction to make. Add some more. This is hard from this angle, so. All right, see how all that's right there? Pressing into, from the corner. All right, you're gonna say, how are you going to get that frosting up there? See that angle? It's missing to bring that corner up straight. So load up my spatula. I'm gonna set it in here, press it like this to get that corner square. I was thinking about this morning. How am I gonna tell them how to do that? That's how you get that corner square. Then, put some more on here, press it in, pull away, press, pull away. I gotta look. All right, got an angle right there, need some more. Let's take off this border so I can reach it. Work from the corner in. Add some more. These bent spatulas are wonderful for this. Get it smooth enough. See how I'm getting that smooth? See how it's pushing it up this way, right here? Mm-hmm. Because we're going to smooth this one out from the corner in. If you go out, look what happens. It pulls it. You don't want to pull it. And the paper toweling is going to hide all of these spatula marks. So just get as best you can, let it crust, and then use a paper towel. So let's take this inside.
So if you're just joining us, you just need to know, this is what she does before she does the paper towel work.
Before the paper toweling.
Not after the paper towel work.
Stuck an elbow or stuck your finger or something in it. You got to fix it. So.
Not that that would ever happen.
Oh, yes,
but
it will.
Just in case it did.
Oh, yes, it will. Right, yes. See, now I don't like that corner. It's too low. See how that corner's too low?
Yep.
Let's fix it. Smash some frosting on there.
Oh.
See that corner? Raised.
Spackle.
Spackle. So we got to re-square it up.
Start from the corner and pull in.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, very nice.
Pretty cool, huh? All right, see how that's raised right there?
Mm-hmm.
Don't go out. Grab it from here. Pull in.
Towards the middle of the cake.
Towards the middle of the cake. Get that edge off of there. Get this moved in from the corner in. All right, I'm going to leave that because we can paper towel that off. It's impossible. Excellent. So all of this can be smoothed right back out with your paper towel, even though it's not perfect. Mm-hmm. All righty.
Excellent. The pattern.
See the texture?
The texture and the shell border. It's just beautiful. I know it's very simple, but sometimes you just want a really clean look. And this looked pretty easy to make.
On a buttercream cake. Just takes you that much closer to the professional and being a perfectionist. Okay.
Yep.
Once I heard about this, I was like, oh my gosh, I like that. So then I started looking for paper towels and all the different textures you can find. Mm-hmm. The cheaper store brands have the most texture to it, and the thinner the paper towel, the better. You don't need a thick paper towel.
Yeah.
But when you start noticing on the paper towels, when it's round, when you pull it off, the closer you get into the center of the paper towel, the more chance it's going to have a loop You'll understand when you start playing with paper towels, but
Excellent. Ladies and gentlemen, let's hear for Shelly Sicily. Yay! Thank you so much for joining. I was just going to say the same thing. Thank you so much. Excellent. We'll see you guys in the YummyArts membership site. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you again next time here at the YummyArts Kitchen.